Hey everybody, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. We are here at the Saratoga National Historical Park in Victory, New York, upstate. And there is the Battle Memorial, which unfortunately we can't go in, but it's about 180 feet tall. See, there is a picture of, I don't know, some British guy or something. Saratoga, 1777, 1877. And then here is the other side of it. Ah, cool. Victory Woods plaque over here. Why, did you notice the picture of the Minuteman on there?
Yeah.
There was a huge picture of a Minuteman.
Oh, on there, yeah. What?
No, I was trying to figure out what the sign was. There was a sign. When we got in here, I want to take a picture of it.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Mary L. Place.
1978. She was 22 years old. No, 24. I think that was the later.
All right, we will see you guys later.